Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and I am so excited to share with you this adjustable grill warming rack. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Now right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that this seems of high quality material that it's made. You can see right there that it does have some ventilation holes and it is adjustable to suit your grill. On the back side you can see the handle here. Now the handle does have a rubberized mat that's easy to hold and carry it around. It also has the feet that you'll just pop up so it'll be off of your grill and using as the warming rack. You can see as I demonstrated here. This warming rack will fit all types of grills that are flat on the top. Now you can see that there is a few inches in between the grill and this warming rack. It ensures that your food will stay nice and warm but not burnt. This Blackstone warming tray was super simple to use. I love the fact that I could use it as a tray to bring the food in from cooking it. So if you're looking for a high quality warming tray for your Blackstone or grill, this is the one for you.